Hi, today I'm going to show you how product teams can use customer insights from Chattermill within their preferred AI agent by connecting it through the Chattermill MCP. Before we begin, make sure you've got the Chattermill MCP connected to Claude. If you haven't set that up yet, check out the previous video in this series where we walk through the process or visit our help guides for step-by-step instructions. Now, imagine you're a product manager at a fintech company called Chatterbank. You're writing a PRD to improve the app experience, and you need to back your decisions with real user feedback. First, I want to start gathering research and understanding what problems I should focus on. My goal is to prioritize product improvements and app enhancements for our roadmap based on what our users are actually telling us. I've just asked Claude to identify the biggest product related issues over the last 12 months. As you can see, I'm including my Chattermill project ID here since I may have multiple projects, and this helps Claude retrieve the right data. Now you can see the MCP is fetching feedback clusters from Chattermill. These are groups of similar feedback that Chattermill organizes into precise insights we call observations, surfacing the most specific, granular issues within your product. Chattermill has already identified and quantified those insights from our feedback data with exact mention counts for each one. Below the list, we also get a summary of key themes to note, showing that app stability, so app crashing, login failures, clearly dominates the list. Now let's dive deeper into the most frequently mentioned issue. Depending on the metadata you're sending into Chattermill from your data sources, you can slice and dice this further by customer segment, account plan, or even something as simple as country. But I'm curious about something specific, so I'll try to find out which app version these crash issues are most concentrated in. And here we can see version 7.23 is the single biggest offender. But I want to identify the root cause of this problem. So let's hear what our users actually have to say. I'll ask for some example user quotes describing the issue. So now I have everything I need to draft a PRD. Clear problem description, quantified impact, and detailed customer feedback. But instead of writing it myself, I can ask my agent to draft it directly in the tool my team already uses. So I'm going to ask Claude to create a Notion page with a PRD draft. For this to work, I just needed to make sure my Notion account was connected to Claude in settings. And there it is, a detailed PRD with a clear problem statement and key insights pulled directly from Chattermill. One last thing, I want to loop in my team, so I'll ask them to share a summary of this report on Slack, along with a link to the Notion page. As you can see, it's now drafting a Slack message with the key findings and a link to the Notion PRD. And just like that, my team is in the loop. That's how easy it is to go from raw customer feedback in Chattermill to a prioritized, well-documented PRD, all without leaving your AI agent. And all of this is powered by the Chattermill MCP. If you have any questions or need help getting set up, reach out to our customer success team. They'll be happy to help you get started.